Hello everyone, nice to meet you to online presentation interesting in this area and workers. All over the world now is very serious difficulties by coronavirus prevalent, but the progress step by step forward. And also I have a special experience like this online presentation. Is very happy to meet everybody. Now I started our Ribentech, the company, the vision and our technology and the current research result, and then the main business I will explain. The Ribentech has two main business. The one is the viral vector platform development, and the CDMO business. As you know, the currently the last of the companies that develop the biologic biotherapeutics, the medicine, but most of them is a very small company, so they need develop research, and sometimes they need the bank establishments like some GMP support. So I am doing the CDMO business, one of our main business, and another we will make a good viral platform like a Vaccinia or an adeno-associated virus. Because why we are doing together CDMO and the research, the CDMO companies rapidly develop, and their development cycle is very short. If we did not the research and development our own the viral vector platform, our technology is lower than our customer. So we also doing our research to satisfy our customers. Our company history is very short. We established last year, July 1st, and then the CDMO contract with the two company. One is adenovirus, the gene therapy, and the streptococcus pneumonia for the pneumonia vaccine. And last year, September, we established LBK viral platform, and November 14, we approved by Korean government as a venture company. And 2020 February, our oncolytic virus platform development and the DMD genetic therapeutics development are selected by Ministry of Korean government, and then we are the support from Korean government. COVID-19 vaccine development research project also selected by Korean government as a big three core research project, and this year June. And our laboratory approved KHIDI in 2020 July 3. Shortly introduce myself. I'm specialized PhD in the biochemical engineering. My undergraduate and graduate specialized in biochemistry. First, our career started International Vaccine Institute and three company. I working for research director and business director and CEO, and then now working at the CEO of Ribentech. And also I doing the university adjunct professor and animal safety management advisor of Korea government. Ribentech organization is looks like very simple because we just the 1 year. As you see, the director of the research, Dr. Zhang, and Mr. An is a director of development, and Mrs. Sin is a director of administration. And we have 9 advisors for this for our company, the 7 scientists and then 2 counselors in United States and then Korea. Rebentech vision is we at least 3 products going into the 2023 clinical phase: the oncolytic virus and gene therapeutics and the corona vaccine. And one another, our platform is we will make like a kit until 2023, and the CDMO business starting this year GLP, and next year we will have our own GMP facility, and 2020 the one another GMP site in outside of Korea. The both of the kit and GMP CDMO business make annual revenue for the Rebentech. It's a really general the scheme of the viral vector using the gene therapeutics and cancer therapeutics. As you see the some adenovaccinia herpes, so many viruses using the viral vector, and then we genome change cDNA of virus, and then our target gene put into the cDNA, and then this completely remaking the cDNA put into the virus, and then this virus using the gene therapeutics and the cancer therapeutics. The oncolytic virus therapy market is rapidly increased. Most of the gene therapeutics is 46% of the oncolytic virus, and then annual revenue is at almost 25%, and then 2025 is 14 million US, the estimated. Another gene therapy, the target is a rare genetic disorder disease. The 69% of the focus on the rare genetic disorder disease, the treatment, the biomedicine, and then the more than the 600 the clinical the phase the gene therapeutics development for the genetically disordered rare disease. The Korean market also rapidly increased. The Korean gene therapeutics market is going into the 7 million is 2017, and already 397 the clinical and preclinical the development the gene therapy, cell therapy, and gene related the biotherapeutics is now is ongoing the development. Based on this the background, the first target of the Rebentech target is first the DMD, genetic disorder disease. We make a combination of the exon composition and make a microdystrophin, and it is put into the DMD, the patient, and then reduce their symptom. The LBBK-KT1 is a trail gene inserted the colorectal cancer therapeutics. The KP1 is a P45 put in, and this is a lung and glioblastoma therapy. And then KBP is the glioblastoma therapy. It has a P10 gene. Our LBBK platform is a very several the merit of the compared to the other viral vector. Very safe. It's not going into the host genome. Only this virus replicated in the cytoplasm, and very easy to manipulate, and then high expression of the protein, and then this virus already adapted to several cell line, and then grows with very high titer, and then put into several genes, the cloning site, and then multi-anti-cancer system we will develop, and then very excellent delivery vehicle. We already doing in vitro test the LBBK virus, the growth in the virus cells, and then this virus inoculate the lung cancer A549 and HeLa and T98G and CACO2 like the colorectal and glioblastoma and cervical cancer, as you see, most of the cancer cell, 80% was killed during 5 days. Another, the important the LBK, the merit is no immune response. As you know, the currently used adenovirus and adeno-associated virus, they using very high titer and repeated dose make an immune response from in the human. So the efficacy is very rapidly drop the second dose or third dose. But 2 times our virus inoculate in the brain, no antibody response in the mouse, and then no virus detected in the organ, lung, spleen, and liver. It means our virus, LBK virus platform is very safe and no side effect by immune response. This is the colorectal cancer cell injected xenograft mouse model. After 12 days, we inoculate the virus, LBK virus, the trail inserted virus, and just recombinant virus, and then negative control. They show like this different, and as you see the graph, after inoculation of the virus, trail inserted tumor direct injection, tumor size is decreased, and then tailbone injection showed clearly the cancer mass decreased, the result we get. Another, the LBK-D1 is a therapeutic for DMD1. We make the recombinant LBK, the microdystrophin gene containing virus, the inoculate the muscle cell, as you see, the microdystrophin protein expressed in the muscle cell. Now it's going to, next step is going to the animal disease mouse model. We tested the LBK-D1 as effective or not to the DMD clinical symptom. So the Reventec, the overcome previous the loss of the obstacle, we using the several technology, directed evolution, lysogenic virus development, and then RNA switching, and virus surface display. This 4 kind of the technology we completely finished. We will make more the effective and safe the virus therapeutics. This is the corona vaccine development research. We already expressed the total spike protein, and then we also make a pseudovirus system. And now we are the coronavirus, the S1 and RBD protein expression system, the constructed. The strong point of CDMO business in our Reventec is a 6 strong point. We are following the EU GMP, and then so many virus manipulation and bank system experience, and diverse protein expression system, and then LBK viral vector system. And we have an expert preclinical work and the process development. This is the very short the Reventec CDMO process outline, lab scale batch, lab scale scale trial, and the process optimization, and the pivotal batch. Like this process we will doing, and then we provide the QC method development and the QC method validation. And all of this process we will following the EU GMP and then QA management. Finally, I will talking about the 2020 we are colorectal cancer and glioblastoma oncolytic virus and the DMD gene therapeutics and the clinical phase 1, and then CDMO business and increase of some contract. And the 2025, I already talking about the 4 major the technology we will development, and then so directed evolution and CTC and lysogenic virus. This is our target of the 2025. Thank you very much for short time. it is not enough to explain our company, but I hope and I believe we will have the very creative network in the world, and then we will have some cooperation together. Thank you very much.